big challenge in the AFC. J.J. Watt gone for the season, potentially second back surgery. All right, what do you make of Houston's defense?
Well, it's not next man up when you're talking about J.J. Watt, who obviously defensive player of the year in the NFL. The stat, the concern that I would have, first and second down sacks. Since he's been in the league in 2011, he's had 47. He leads the NFL first and second down. As a defensive coordinator on third down, you know it's pass, you can bring safeties, linebackers, whoever. But on first or second down, when it's right or pass, that's when you need guys to step up and be able to